Clock. Google Clock. Very useful app. It's good to wake up early in the morning. It works, but there's a catch. Sometimes I forget to change the volume. And if this happens to you, I will show you how to fix that. So if you go to Play Store, the app should look like this. It says Clock Google LLC. Just install whatever if you don't have it. But if you do have it and you're having this problem, let's say an example. If you put your alarm clock like mostly 8 a.m., 6 a.m., whatever, it should show like this. But you're expecting to wake up at 6 a.m., but the volume is not that loud enough because somehow it's not setting up the volume. I want it all the way up because sometimes you don't wake up when the volume is not up. But if it's not doing that, I will show you how to fix that. Just click these 3 little dots on top. Okay. Now go to settings. Now, you see that? It happened to me a lot of times when I put the alarm. Just volume this up all the way up. That should work. Sometimes it happens, and if you have your volume like down there like a show right now, how can you wake up? And it happened. That's the only thing I don't like. You know that all the apps have a catch. All of them, even Google, McDonald's, Burke, whatever app you're using, there's always a catch. That's so you gotta fix it. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So put the volume all the way up and go back, and then turn on your volume. Turn on your alarm before you turn on the alarm. Put the volume up because it happens, you know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.